Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually gonna work on the Rsx. I picked up a new part the other day. Shout out to the homie Camilo for selling me this diffuser for dirt cheap. It looks pretty damn good. It makes the back of the car so aggressive. But yeah, check it out. Here we have the Strafe Design rear diffuser. Originally it was off my homie Alex's car, then Camilo bought his car, now I have it on my car. But yeah, it is pretty damn aggressive. It's not on, it's just sitting on the ground. But yeah, I just gotta get a couple bolts, washers and nuts for this. Then we'll throw it on there, see how it looks. Shouldn't be too hard. Like every install, it's gonna take at least 3 hours. I don't have a jack right now, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Trying to get this car ready. We're about to do a shoot with all the homies up the canyon. We're gonna go on a cruise and it's gonna be a good time. So I wanna get this car at least looking good and functioning properly. All my boys here. Yeah, boy. This fool was supposed to bring me a jack, but he didn't. Why'd you bring the nice car out? You miss it? Me too, I'm trying.
You missed the other piece?
No.
You missed the other piece from that car?
Which one?
For that thing. The
Yeah.
original. Oh.
It's been a minute since I've been in this car. Wow. How are the seats holding up? Very well. People keep asking.
What?
They're like, how's the seats? Holding up pretty good.
Pretty damn nice.
Soon.
Where's the other one? Somewhere in the car for sure.
Just made it back to my house. Went to get some food and some bolts and a jack so that way we can start on this diffuser install. It's gonna be sick, but first I gotta feed my ass first. Just picked up a lot of washers, nuts and bolts, chicken nuggets, caramel frap. Where's the hole? Got my holes marked. Then we can drill this bitch. Oh, beautiful, dude. Right in there.
Watch something fucking shock out of me.
Yeah, now we got these. I don't know what the hell this is. We're gonna bolt it onto this frame right here. I'm assuming that's where it goes. Oh. How am I supposed to back up with this?
I don't fucking know. Clear it up.
My fat ass hands can't fit in this.
Look like no one gonna see that bolt for sure.
You see it?
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Everyone gonna see that.
We're good. As long as this shit don't fly off, I'm good. I don't know how the fuck to read this.
Yeah, you push it over. You push this. So that way you know how. No! Yeah!
From this end right here.
Yes!
It'll reach
Right
that.
there. Now you.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to fucking do
Architecture, dude.
architect. Wait, where? That's from the end over here.
No, you flip that one around. You flip that one around.
What, like
Yes, like that. Yeah, yes, sir.
No?
Yeah,
I
bet.
made shit like this, fool.
No,
Bet.
trust me. Flip it around. Bet. What do you wanna bet?
Nigga, I messed
No,
up
I
that
flip that. Yeah, like that. Good. Now we're screwed in. There you go.
No. You looking like?
Am I even filming the right one? The hose came out already, though.
Yeah. Let me go down here.
So, no, you don't need to go down.
Oh, wait. Like that.
See, wait.
I'll hold that shit,
Okay.
boy.
Wait, this hole peeking out though, dude. What's this hole right here?
Oh, push it in a little more, dude.
No, hold on.
Check it out. Just got it on. Easy. Damn, that came out hella good. Just gotta wash it. Real easy. Went to get some nuts and washers and bolts. 3 bolts here. Came with this already. 1 right here. 2 right here. It's pretty stable. Fool, you think it's gonna fly off? I bet it's gonna fly off. I should have washed it before.
The only time I won't fly off your fucking bumper, dude.
But yeah, it's looking good. You wanna jack it down? Jack it down.
How are you gonna jack it down?
Yep, it's gonna look good. It's gonna touch the ground.
Jack it down, dude. Oh, dude, that's fucking sick. It look aggressive. Look like it's sitting on it.
Yeah.
What the hell? Hold on. Oh man.
That came out dope.
Ah,
What do you guys think? Comment down below. Should I rock with it? Should I not? Woo!
stop.
Keep going. All the way.
I'm Bondo too, but it's kind of easy.
What are you doing?
Fix my air leak.
On the same side.
That's good enough, Max.
Are you gonna break a fitting like me?
Wait. Oh, do you need to put that high? No way.
It's all good.
Oh, I thought you wanted to drop it to a lower level.
No.
You
And
gonna
have
break a
it
fitting?
height. What?
You gonna break a fitting?
Nope.
It's not you, Kevin.
I'm not gonna break a fitting this
Suck my
time.
dick, bitch.
I do. I got my mission here, guys. Be smart.
What happened?
It's leaking right here, dude. Now we gotta put the bed locker on. Let's hope he doesn't break it. Oh, what the fuck? No wonder it's leaking, dude.
She snapped the fuck out of it.
Hella loose. No wonder.
Son, what she snapped the fuck out.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch you snap it.
What? Nah, I ain't gonna snap it.
That's it?
Yeah. You need to do more than that?
Yeah. What the? I loop the fuck out of it, dude.
How you loop for anals, dude?
Yeah.
I never done anal, so I don't know.
Oh man, holy fuck.
So I don't know what you guys talking about.
I spit on it a lot, bro. Damn, this camera quality is crazy, dude. And a sticker in the hole. Oh, yep.
Fuck, man.
Just finished up at my house. We got my rear diffuser on, as well as Max's air leak is fixed, finally. Because whenever you ride in it, it would auto adjust up and it gets so annoying. But hopefully that fixed the issue. Right now I'm heading to Phu's house. Gotta pick up some shoes that we ordered. If you guys are hype beasts, I got some daddy shoes. I've been wanting these for a long time. It's the Yeezy 700s. I'm not gonna be a dad anytime soon. I just love them. We got an expensive ass lifestyle. We got all our paychecks go to like cars and shoes, mainly food. My God, we eat out a fuck ton every week. But yeah, I'll pick them up. I'll show you guys how they look. You guys might not like them. I mean, it's my style. I didn't like them at first either, but it slowly grew on me. Where are my daddy shoes? Fire. Don't be a high beast like us.
Watch, it's gonna be size 8.5.
You can take them. They come with a different box.
Oh yeah, they did come with a different box of this shoe. No, same box. I have Adidas one.
9.5.
Oh, what? The tag already off? Daddy shoe. It's kind of weird, dude.
Yeah. Anybody want them? 500. I'll sell them to you. Check those out. Just made it back to my house. I don't know what else to do today. Have the day off. Might go play Fortnite. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this rear diffuser on here. I think I like it. It gives it more like aggressive look. It doesn't look naked in the back anymore. But other than that, thank you for watching and hanging out with us today. This video might be a little short, so I'm sorry for that. More videos coming. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Help us get to 1,000, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.